Want to see what creators do when they're not making jewelry? This is me getting ready to put my garden in. I'm going to do a vegetable garden. I'm really excited about it, but it's really a challenge for me. So check it out. I'm using a wood burning tool to put these holes in this plastic. My idea this year was to do a container garden, so I'm using these plastic bins. As you can see, I'm really getting my exercise. I'm struggling, but I'm going to get it done. Every year, about the time that you want to plant your garden, these grasshoppers start growing. They start out as cute little black things, and then they grow into these 2 and 3 inch long, big monster grasshoppers. So I'm gonna put up this screen to try to keep the grasshoppers out of my garden because they will eat everything down to the stalk. I saw this guy on YouTube put up this kind of station to hold up the netting. So that's what I'm doing here is I'm putting the little thing together. Well, I got it started, and here it is a couple of weeks later. So we've got a good start on our vegetable garden. All right, wish me luck. You know the drill. Please like, share, and all that other stuff. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.